Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone screen flickering issue. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start. Solution number 1. Turn off auto brightness. To turn off auto brightness, first launch settings, scroll down and tap display and brightness and turn off automatic. Solution number 2. Hard reboot your iPhone. To hard reboot your iPhone X, XS, XS Max, XR, iPhone 11 and 11 Pro. First, press and quickly release volume up button. Then, press and quickly release volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appear on screen. Then release the button. Solution number 3. Reset all settings. To reset all settings, launch settings, scroll down and tap general, scroll down and tap reset and tap top of the page reset all settings. Put your passcode and tap again reset all setting to confirm your action. Solution number 4. Restart your iPhone. To restart your iPhone, tap on device, tap on more and tap restart. After that, tap again restart to confirm your action. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.